Surveillance cameras. Surveillance cameras are essential to enforce the law and regulate human behavior in every society. It is a proven fact that surveillance cameras lower the rate of crime. The Canadian government, along with most Canadian citizens, believe in the use of surveillance cameras, both in public and private spaces. Also, cameras provide a psychological sense of comfort to citizens by knowing that they are being watched and protected against any type of crime. Security should be the top priority in every city around the world, not privacy. Installing cameras in a business's location will reduce theft and other crime that occurs on the premises. In fact, studies show that cameras help reduce criminal activity, such as vandalism, by over 95%. The biggest downside to installing security cameras in a business setting is the potential for claims of invasion of privacy by both the employees and customers. However, security cameras help evaluate employee performance and capture evidence for slip and fall claims or other liabilities. It is fair for a company to protect their property against shoplifters, as well as assess their employees' working habits. As employers cannot be present everywhere at the same time, these cameras make the surveillance of a large number of employees possible in a cost-effective manner. Inefficient employees can be observed and then laid off to benefit the company. Furthermore, there has been a significant rise in the number of surveillance cameras installed in public places. This has been a direct result of various incidents that have taken place over the past few years relating to terrorist activity. Now, most subway stations, airports, amusement parks, theaters, and even sidewalks and roads are monitored by security cameras. Some people may argue that surveillance cameras in public spaces are illegal, since they record personal information, or that over 50% of crimes are never caught on tape anyway. However, under the FOIP Act of Canada, collecting personal information is legal if the information is collected for the purpose of law and the enforcement of law. Surveillance cameras also help establish the identity of a criminal very easily, and their image can be circulated around the internet and around the country to help the process for arresting the culprit. Even if the crime itself is not recorded, certain important aspects that help to present a case in a whole new light are certainly recorded. Finally, most of the Canadian population, including the government, believe in the use of security cameras, both in public and private places. Although a lot of people think that the infiltration of spy cameras in public life is taking away the privacy of general citizens, they fail to note the immense benefits that secure to the society as a whole. After all, Canada is a democratic country, and all laws should be complied with a majority.